Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can create a Vimeo OAuth app and get the app credentials, and then we just move on with the OAuth flow. Okay, so let's first step will be you must be open your browser, navigate to the developer.vimeo.com, and then just click on create an app and just name it. Okay, and just give it a description. Then you have two options. One is which this app will be available for the external users, or you are going to create this app only for your own under besides your account users only. Okay, so I'm just selecting no, agree, and create app. Okay, so here is the app, and your second step will be you must be add a redirect URL. Okay, so here is the callback URL, and just click on add, and just type http localhost 4000. I have a basically already a simple Node.js API using with the port 4000. Okay, with the redirect URL. So this will be a redirect URL. So I'm just building that redirect URL and configuring that URL here. Okay, so API Vimeo and redirect. Okay, 8. So URL is http localhost port 4000 API Vimeo redirect. Okay, so there's our redirect URL, and now just type Vimeo auth, and you will be on a authorization docs, and just scroll down. Okay, and on and here you just copy this URL. Okay, and before that you I think we will configure that later. So I'm going to create here a Vimeo helper.js, and I'm just going to create two helper functions. Okay, just copy paste. Okay, and another will be redirect, and for now I'm just returning an empty string, and then you can first configure this Vimeo authorization URL. So what parameters are required? One is a client ID, and another is a redirect URL, and state. Okay, the scope list. We just remove this state. This is an optional, and all except all those are required parameters, so we must be configure those. Okay, so for the redirect URL, we set that here process.env dot, and we just copy and paste. Okay, and for the client ID in scope list, so we must be create here a scope list. So list. Okay, and before going with that, we just click on edit. Okay, and here we have a scope list. 1 minute. permissions, request additional access. Okay, so I think we are just only going with the default scope list, okay? But let me check that. I think we copy and paste the scopes from here, okay? So we have a scope list here. Okay, we have a scope list here. So we just copy from here. So one is a scope private. Okay, you can just directly copy and paste. You have no any option on the app configuration. Just copy and paste this space. Okay, space separator. New files. I think for demo these are the enough scopes. Okay, and then we are just going to get the app client ID and app client secret. So here is a secret. Okay, paste, and then we have a here copy ID client ID. Okay, so just paste that here. Okay, now just set the scope list. Just copy the scope list environment variable name and just type process.env dot first name, and here is client ID, so we must be copy the env variable name and then first place a dollar symbol and process.env paste. Okay, and now we must be export these helpers. Okay, one is authorize and another is the redirect. Okay, we must be place a breakpoint here, and we must be import these helpers here. Here Vimeo helper, okay, authorize, right? Okay, and now just npm. We can also install packages. Okay, here npm start. Okay, now just copy this, navigate to the browser and just type localhost 4000 and paste. Okay, you are seeing that we have these are the permissions. Okay, so these are the permission totally determined by the scope list, which we have already configured in the authorization URL. So you have no any option on the app configuration page. You just copy scopes as you have needed from this list. Okay, and then just I think we already breakpoint, so just click now. Okay, so we can see we have successfully got the authorization code. Okay, so this is the Vimeo auth flow part 1. where we have successfully got the authorization code. And in part 2, I will show you how you can get the access token using that authorization code. Okay, bye bye.